Here I have Motorola Defy, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button battery saver. So by tapping on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. So for example you can set up a schedule for it based on your percentage. So like at 15% battery saver will turn on automatically, and you can also set it to turn off when your device is up to 19% charged. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.